Good morning children again, and in continuation with the previous video we are here starting with the process of meiosis in your book. And now look at here. First of all, here in this paragraph they have given the definition of the meiosis, that in meiosis actually the daughter cells form which with the half the number of chromosome and which are called as haploid daughter cell, and this is called as meiosis. And haploid daughter cells are actually the gametes and which undergoes fertilization after that and restores the same number of chromosome as it is present in the parent cell. It is written here. Now this meiosis is completed in meiosis 1 stage and in meiosis 2 stage. Okay. And meiosis 1 stage comes after the S phase. Interphase is not mentioned here. Actually, it is but understood that before the meiosis 1, the S phase will be there. That is the interphase, and in which the S phase is there, in which the replication of chromosome has already occurred. Okay. And now after that, these are the stages of meiosis in which the homologous pairing of which we are going to discuss. And then after the pairing of homologous chromosomes and after the formation of recombinant chromosomes, the meiosis 2 will be there. It means it is the summary of the meiosis. Now again they are here giving the meiosis 1 comprises these four stages: meiosis 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. And meiosis 2 comprises prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. Okay. Now we are to start with the prophase 1, and before that I want to show you this which I have written as a notes only. Look at here. This is the second page and first page is this. Look at here, that meiosis is the process of cell division in which number of chromosome reduces to half. This is the definition. And now it takes place in the germ cell at the time of gamete formation. Okay, so this is 3 points are written in 2 only, and this is the pictorial representation of meiosis, that if in the germ cell or in the parent cell 46 chromosomes are there, so it will undergo meiosis 1 and haploid cells are formed. 2 cells will be formed and these haploid 2 cells will again undergo meiosis 2 and then they will form 4 haploid cells. This way the meiosis 1 is a reduction division in which number of chromosome has reduces to half, and meiosis 2 is a equational division like a mitosis in which number of chromosome remains the same as the parent cell, because these are daughter cell and their parent cell is this. So in this the number of chromosome remained same. Okay. Now we are here coming the steps of the meiosis, that meiosis is completed in meiosis 1 and 2. Meiosis 1 is prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, and meiosis 2, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. And meiosis 1 and 2 are actually the stages of karyokinesis in which the division of the nucleus will there, and after that the cytokinesis will be there. Here this all stages actually comprising into one stage, that is karyokinesis. Now we are to start with the prophase 1, and this prophase 1 is further divided into leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene and dikinesis. This is the longest phase of the meiosis. Okay, so now we are here starting with the prophase. At the back of here I have written all the stages of the prophase. Okay, here in your book also I will be showing you where they have shown the stages of the prophase. So this is the complete paragraph of prophase only up to here, rather from after dikinesis here the metaphase is starting, but before this metaphase word is written and up to here this all is prophase 1, but they have not written the things in points, so that I have converted it into the points only. So this is not anything else, rather it is the prophase 1 only which is written in the points. So I will be showing you with the help of the diagrams also, as it is here, it is diagrams I have also, I have drawn the diagrams, and similarly the notes are also there. Okay, so now come to here, what happens, we are to see the things simultaneously. So number one, this is the leptotene. First stage of the prophase 1 is leptotene. Okay, in leptotene what I have written, the compaction of the chromosome takes place. Like this the chromosomes were there, now they have got compacted. Okay, so you can see it here. Suppose these are the maternal and paternal chromosomes are there. So these maternal and paternal chromosome, in the S phase each chromosome will divide into two sister chromatids. This paternal chromosome will also divides into two sister chromatids. Okay, replication of DNA will takes place, and after that this is the compaction of the chromosome. So that can be shown by little dark and short chromosome. So leptotene, the compaction of chromosome has taken place. Okay, diagram I am showing you this way systematically. Now it comes the second stage, and second stage is the stage which is called as what, zygotene. Okay, diagram is fourth, but the stage is what, zygotene. So in zygotene what happens, actually the pairing of the homologous chromosome takes place. So this is the pairing of the homologous chromosome, and these paired chromosome, the process of pairing is called as synapsis. The process of pairing is called as synapsis, and this is called as synaptonymal complex. These four chromatids are seen here. So this, if they are four chromatids and we want to name them, then we will call it tetrad, but actually these are only two chromosomes. This is one chromosome with two chromatid, this is one chromosome with two chromatid. So chromosomes are two only, and these are homologous chromosome which have performed the process of synapsis. So when there are two chromosomes, so that it is called as bivalent, but each chromosome is there with two chromatid, so it is also called as tetrad, and this stage is called as what, zygotene. All these are the points of a stage, and this stage is called as what, zygotene. Okay, so now I have written it here. In zygotene what all has taken place, the pairing of homologous chromosome, process of association is called as synapsis, paired chromosome are actually the homologous chromosome, formation of synaptonymal complex is there, and these are called as bivalent or tetrad. And diagram is drawn this way. I have drawn the diagram at two places, there also, here also. Suppose these two chromosome with two sister chromatids were there, and compacted chromosome in leptotene, now they have paired this way. So this is called as pairing of homologous chromosome, and this is here the pairing of homologous chromosome. Okay, now this only I have drawn it here, because here I want to show you the genes also. Suppose this black color I am showing with the maternal chromosome. So on this maternal chromosome A, B, C, D genes are there, and this is its sister chromatid. And on this paternal chromosome, as it is its homologous, so same type of genes will be there, but they may be in the contrasting form. So A, B, C, D genes are there. So that way these two are homologous chromosome in the tetrad form. Okay, so this one thing has happened, that these are homologous chromosome in tetrad form. Okay, now what will happen, कि once these homologous chromosomes are there in the tetrad form, then the next stage is pachytene, which is the most important stage of the prophase 1, and this is called as what, crossing over. And in crossing over, actually what happens, these two are non-sister chromatid. ये आपस में सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स हैं, लेकिन द क्रोमेटिड्स ऑफ टू डिफरेंट क्रोमोसोम्स आर नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड. तो these two non sister chromatid will cross over to each other for the exchanging of their segments along with the genes. So this process of exchanging the segments along with their genes is called as what? Crossing over, and it happens in the Pachytene stage, and it is crossing over. And all these stages which we are discussing, actually these are the stages of crossing over only, and this point of crossover is called as what? Recombination nodule. This is a recombination nodule. Now these all stages I have written here, that tetrad will completely formed and recombination nodules will be formed where the crossovers occurs, and in the non-sister chromatids only the crossing over will be there. And after crossing over, there will be an exchange of genetic material between the homologous chromosome, and this process is actually mediated by an enzyme, and that enzyme is what? It is a recombinase enzyme is there. Okay. Now the next stage is called as diplotin. This diplotin is characterized by the process of separation of the chromosome. ये जो non sister chromatids wherever they have undergone crossing over, so those points will remain attached, but rest of the part of the chromosome will get separated from each other. Okay, so these points and the cross shaped chromosome will be formed. These X shaped chromosome are called as chiasmata. Very important terms are there, all of these are there. तो आई हैव रिटर्न डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ सिनेप्टोनिमल कॉम्प्लेक्स विल बी देयर, जो बिल्कुल पास पास में आ गए थे. नाउ दे विल बी, इट विल बी डिजॉल्व, बट ओनली इट विल नॉट डिजॉल्व at these points at recombination nodule. Rest of the parts will get dissolved, that means they will get separate from each other. Chromosomes separate except at the site of crossover, and these X-shaped chromosome are chiasmata. ये दो तरीके से बता दिया है, सेल के अंदर भी सेल के बाहर भी, और यहाँ पर भी दिखाया है कि they will get separate from each other. Okay. अब जब ये सेपरेट हो जाएगा तो लास्ट स्टेज इज डाइकाइनेसिस. अब डाइकाइनेसिस में क्या होगा कि डिसोल्यूशन, this was the dissolution in diplotin. Now terminalization. In this dikinesis there will be a terminalization of the chromosome, टर्मिनलाइजेशन ऑफ द कियास्मेटा और रिकॉम्बिनेशन नोड्यूल. तो जब इसका टर्मिनलाइजेशन होगा तो इट विल बी डिजॉल्व फ्रॉम हियर, इट विल मूव आउट. तो दिस पार्ट विल ज्वाइन विद दिस and this part will join with this. तो maternal chromosome will exchange its part with the paternal, and paternal has exchanged its part with the maternal, so that this type of resultant chromosome will be formed. I have drawn this diagram at the back of the page also again, because no enough space is here. So this chromatid is a non crossover, but this has, these are the crossover. So maternal and paternal genes have exchanged. Here also maternal and paternal genes have exchanged, and this last one has to be drawn with the red ink, and this is what? Small ABCD non crossover. Okay, I am showing you here at the back of the page also. Let me draw it with the red ink only. In your PDF which you have received, so when you will draw it in your notebook, then draw it with the red color only. In the PDF I have already taken the photograph, so maybe it is there with the blue color. So now come to here कि this ABCD is a non crossover, these two are recombinant, and this is again non crossover. तो 50% non crossovers and 50% recombinants have formed, and maternal and paternal chromosome have exchanged their segments along with the genes. This is the result of crossing over. Okay, so tomorrow we will see the process after the crossing over, because crossing over itself is a important separate question of 5 marks from the leptotin up to the dikinesis, rather from meiosis 1 prophase 1 to the dikinesis. With the diagram and notes only it is will be completed, otherwise not only one stage, all stages are to be written. Thank you.